What's going on, YouTube? So I'll be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Dango Designs gripper mount. I'm not sure how many of you guys have heard of this mount. It's basically a GoPro mount that is very versatile in terms of where you can mount it, either on a helmet or places in the bike or anywhere you want to. It's actually a clamp mount, but at the same time, it's very versatile in terms of its shape. So let's do an unboxing right now. I opened it just quickly. I haven't taken it out yet. This product came to me because my sister has been using it for quite a while now, and I'm actually intrigued since I have so many helmets. I wanted to try something that I could use many other different styles of helmet, and I don't have to get a GoPro sticky mount, and I don't like actually putting sticky mounts on my helmets. Now like, because sometimes I have a very expensive helmet and I don't always use a GoPro, and I want to eliminate that aspect of having a chin mount GoPro. So this product should solve that problem. So let's open it up now. I ordered this from Amazon. It's right now, it's at $49. And so after you open the front tape portion, you'll get the Dango design sticker. That's their logo right there. And very nice touch. And it's very simple, no frills box. So it's just, I don't have to use two hands for this. Let's see. A quick look on the packaging before we turn into this. You can see one mount, limited use. Like I said, you can mount this into anything, not just your helmet. So it also has some rubber surfaces so it doesn't scratch your whatever paint or surface that it's on. You can quickly adjust it. You can tilt, you can swivel around. It grips into your backpack, as you can see there in front of the helmet, paddles, etc., etc. So you can just imagine where you could use this. That's the main thing is I want to protect the surface of my helmet because some of my helmet are quite expensive. That's why I'm thinking about using this instead of the sticky mounts for the GoPro. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so we got it out of the box. It is simply just a mount. So it's just, so you have a strap. Okay, we wrestled it out of the box. Doesn't take much. I took out those two zip ties, and then it's gripped into the packaging, so you ungrip it. Here's the hinge mechanism. It's really stiff, so you gotta be careful not to snap it and catch your hand in there. So it comes with a strap already on there. So this is useful for hooking it into, for example, you have your GoPro on here, hooking into something to anchor it. So just in case it kind of slips out of your helmet or wherever, you can still have it with you. So it's a nice touch for them to include that. And let's see how this swivel works. So the swivel design, you press into it, press the mount in and spin it. So it spins all the way 360 degrees. Really nice, actually. Nice design. So shout out to their name, Dango Designs. I think it's the name of the owner. So there to go. So the GoPro mounts this way. I think it's helpful to have another arm to face the GoPro up. I'll show you guys how mine will be mounted in a second. So in terms of the surface, so this is going to be inside the helmet, which is plastic, so it grips inside the helmet, and the one outside of the helmet is rubber. So it's soft rubber, so it doesn't scratch the surface. I'll see that. It's very grippy. So if you're wearing this as with a dirt bike or in the rain or something like that, it won't just come off because of contaminants and stuff like that. The hinge is very strong. I need like a full palm to open it. So we'll give it a shot now on different kinds of helmets that I have, and we'll see how it works. So I went ahead and put my GoPro on here now. I spinned it in a way so that I have most of the movement on the top side, as you can see there. So what you notice quickly is that the GoPro used to be mounted on the helmet towards the bottom here, but now it's right on my face. I'm not really sure if that's going to be a bad thing for me on the long run, but I would tell you that even though that is the case, that it would produce the best view, point of view type of shot. But I'm not sure how that would be in terms of, riding. But if I'm just wearing this rig to vlog or record, that's mainly my intention. I'm not gonna be riding aggressively where because of this it's gonna be a hindrance in my view. So it depends also on your helmet. So if you have a helmet that's like a motocross helmet, you have a longer beak, it's not gonna be right on your face. So also, if you adjust your attachment points here, if you make it a shorter one, or simply just attach the GoPro all the way down here, it's it might work, but at the same time, it depends on the helmet. But if you're way too low on here, it depends on the angle of the helmet. You might be pointing to the ground, so you really have to just adjust between your application. But it doesn't take that much. You just remove this thing and point it down here. Maybe I'll give it a shot right now. See how it looks. Actually, you know what, guys? Rocking it without the extension arm might be a better idea because I could hook it all the way up to the chin bar and it's not quite pointing all the way down. So I think this is a good setup. Just not use the extended arm. So we'll put it on some helmets now and give it a shot and test the angle of it. So here's a quick pan of all the helmets I have for testing at the moment. So these are all my current helmets right now. You see the Arai XD4 there, which is kind of like a motocross helmet. And you see my AGV here. This one I use for when I'm riding long distances. It's actually a modular helmet. Very nice. It's very quiet. So I kind of use this for touring. And this is my vlogging helmet. It's old. It's like Icon Airmada. It comes with here's my microphone setup on it. So I still have to figure that out, how I'm gonna mount that with this thing on. But that's not really a big deal for me. And as you can see here, there's the expensive helmet. There's the Arai Corsair 10. Comes with the Pro Shield. It's almost $800 something dollars on this thing. And the cheap helmet bell. So I'll probably use the bell more for vlogging, or if anything, or recording while I'm riding. Or if I'm feeling like on the track or I want to use it for like a lap or something, I'll use the Arai. So that's why I wanted one of these, because I could go from helmet to helmet and just transfer it. So we'll do some test fitting right now and I'll show you guys how it looks like. So first helmet I'm going to test it with is the Bell. Let's move this camera a little bit down. It's a Bell helmet, Bell qualifier. All I did was simply take the jaw clamp and put it all the way to the chin bar. See, it's the angle of it. Let me give you guys a side profile. It's not that bad. I mean, it's actually more up than before. I think, yeah, maybe if I put the extended arm on it, it would be like right about here, and it would be a perfect eye-to-eye level of view. So it really depends on how perfect you want it to be, but I kind of like my view unobstructed. So I'll run with this for a while, and then I'll try it with the extended arm, and that's how it looks like. Very stable. Like, I'll shake it. You can actually loop this somewhere in here or something like that, like a hook or something like that, and then it's not gonna come off, guys. So I really love it. So I think what I'm gonna be doing with the microphone is maybe route it somewhere in here in the clamp itself, so that I can just unclip it and clip it back whenever I need to, without taping or messing with taping the microphone in here. It's just kind of bothersome if I have to do that. So yeah, this is actually a really nice idea. I mean, I didn't know my sister could find this before I did, and she just started riding. There you go. Let me try a different helmet now. Here's a shot with the Corsair 10. So the Corsair 10 though is a problem because the chin bar is tilted way down. So in a case like this, you need in a helmet like this, you need the extended arm to bring it up to your face. So it really, like I said, I mean, we talked about it. It depends on your application and your situation. Also, this kind of helmet has a chin air deflector, and you are kind of messing with that, clamping it this way. So I might not use this for this because I don't like the idea of messing with that chin bar. So I mean, this is actually my track helmet, so I don't really care about not wearing GoPro on that one, but I just thought I would try. So for the AGV helmet, it's the same thing. It has a very long chin area, so this will not work totally. I mean, you can still force it on there, but it's gonna be pushing and pulling on all these things here, and I'm just not comfortable in doing that. So let's try for the Arai XD4 now. So let's see. So this one has a very thin chin area. We can probably make that one work. Okay, so that one works. So that one works without much crimping of the panels here. And yeah, so even the angle is actually perfect. So you can see here, the angle is actually perfect. It's really awesome. So, okay, so I mean, 2 out of, let me see, 5. That's okay. I mean, I can't use it on my track helmet. I won't use it. I can probably use it on my existing vlogging helmet. But I already have a mount on there, and I have to figure out how to remove that sticky mount. But I can use it. I can start using this on that. So 3 out of 5 helmets that I have, I can use it. So I don't always have to use one type of helmet to vlog with. I can use any other helmet that I have. Very nice. Very satisfied with this. 49 bucks though. I mean, you would say it's kind of high, but it's a multi-purpose mount. So it's not just for helmets. You can clamp it on like railings and things like that, and you can spin it around. You could probably clip it on the side of your bike. Let's say you have passenger pegs, you can clip it on there, angle the camera however you want, so you don't have to use a sticky mount to record your exhaust or side profile view of anything. So there you go, Dango Designs gripper mount. I'll include a link in the description, and feel free to check it out. And yeah, I really like this product. I mean, I just never seen this one before until recently, and I'm glad that I did. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.